Good morning to all the students of class 3. 4. Okay. So, student, open your math magic book. Open your math magic book and the page number is 119. Okay. The page number is 119. So, and also take out your pencil because we will do book work. Okay. Class 3. Okay. So, up on our previous class, we have done activity time A, isn't it? We just take some example of the things and how much we buy, how much our parents buy from the market at once, that amount we have written already in our book, isn't it? So, today, student, we will do guess. We will do some guess. So, on the page number 119 on your magic book, number B, activity time, number B, guess their weight and match. So, you have to match their weight, okay? So, you can do one thing beside the picture of each thing, so you can write down their actual, guessing weight, or you can do it by giving, line or arrow. So, number B, look at the picture. What are the pictures or example they have given you? An elephant, a mango, a suitcase, a cow, a little puppy or dog, and also a sack. So, first that we will take, okay, the first one that we will take. Okay, so the first one, B number, okay, a mango, a mango, so 10 kg, 400 kilogram, less than 1 kg, more than 1 kg, more than 1000 kilogram, 80 kilogram and 2 kilogram. Which option will go for the mango? How much weight you can think of a mango among those? That option you have to be typed. Yes, less than 1 kg. Good, Shauri. So it will obviously less than a mango, only one mango. So it is less than 1 kg. Okay? Now, it is an elephant. An elephant is how much weight? Which weight you can guess? More than 1 kilogram. Good, Snehanjana. So it is more than 1 kg. Now it's the time for what you can, a suitcase. Yes, S-U-I-T, suitcase, C-A-S-E, a suitcase. How much weight? A suitcase? 10 kg? No. 10 kg is so much. You can match 10 kg, I think. Think a cow, a sack, and a dog or puppy. This one is little puppies, look like that. 2 kg, yes. A suitcase 2 kg. Okay. A cow. A cow is how much? Everybody, which weight you want to match with the cow? 80 kg. 80 kg cow. Really? So 80 kg is the weight of like your father weight and some of their mom weight who are little bit healthy. Those weight are 80. Yes. Good. So stop. It is 400 kilogram. Because cow is so big than the man. How could he afford 80 kg? It is 400 kg. Okay. A sack. A sack means a sack full of rice. Usually, have you seen the jute sack? That comes from the mill where the rice. The rice are full over there. 80 kg. Yes, it is 80 kg. You can say because those are the 1 quintal means 100 kilogram. So 80 kg is all right with the sack. Now it's the time for a dog. A dog. A dog or it's a little puppy you can see. So then it is 10 kg. Okay, it is 10 kg. So is it done is it clear to everyone? Okay, everybody done this part, student? Who is she? I think it's Snehanjana, isn't it? Who are didn't mute her audio? So good. When I going for search, that time they mute their audio. Okay. Now it's the time for the number C. It's the time for the number C. Guess which of the following things weight more than 1 kilogram and which one will weight less than 1 kilogram. More than 1 kilogram and less than 1 kilogram. Okay? Tawfiq, you are looking good. Now turn off the camera. Okay, sorry. I'm just writing it. I have to be right. See over here. See. Your school bag. Tell me. Option 1. Your school bag. More than 1 kilogram or less than 1 kilogram? Shori has written more than 1 kilogram. What do you think, student? That your friend Shori is correct or wrong? Are you agree with her? Snehanjana also say more than. Tawfiq say less. Tawfiq, which day your school bag weighted less than 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram? It's always more than 1 kg. So your school bag, I'm just writing the answer, okay? More than 1 kg. Now number 2. Geometry box. Your geometry box. Yes, it's less than. It's obviously less than because it's small. Less than 1 kg. Okay. Now number 3. A brick. Can you see the picture of a brick? So this is the picture of a brick. Can you say me that is it less than or more than? Okay, student. A brick is always more than 1 kilogram. Okay. So a brick weight always more that is available on the market at the market, which is more than 1 kg. Okay. Now it is time for the number 4. A big pumpkin. Yes, it is also more than 1 kilogram. So it is also number 4. Big pumpkin more than 1 kg. Okay. Now number 5. Can you see the picture? The slippers of your slipper or the chappal, you can say. your pair of slippers or shoes, is it less than 1 kilogram or more than 1 kilogram, student? So, student, your slipper that you are wearing nowadays at your home, I mean that slipper less than 1 kilogram. Good. It is also less than 1 kg. Okay. So everybody done this part?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Phew. This is, I'm saying for the last time, don't turn on your audio. Mute your speaker. Okay, now turn over the next page. Now turn over the next page. Page number 120. 120. Use your balance to find out to find which of the following is heavier. Which of the following is heavier? Okay? Page number 120. So they have given you some options on number D. Page number 120. Use your balance. A water bottle or a cricket ball? Which one is heavier? So you can see on your book already they have shown you the picture that on a balance beam on the one in one side they keep a cricket ball and another side they keep a water bottle, and you can see that the cricket ball side is going to down and the water bottle side are going to up. So that means obviously the cricket balls seems to be heavier. So what you will do, you will underline the part a cricket ball. Okay, you will underline the part with your pencil a cricket ball. So DA, which one is heavier? A cricket ball. CRICKET, a cricket ball, than the water bottle. Because when the water bottle, just a water bottle, there is no water, it is literally so light. Now it's the time for the number 2. Your shoe or your pencil box? Your shoe or your pencil box? So which one is heavier? You have to tell me. Your shoe, yes. So you will underline your shoe. Okay. Okay. Now your maths book or Hindi book? Your maths book or Hindi book? Are you sure that your Hindi book is not more heavier than your math book? Sure. Okay. Then all right. Your maths book. Underline this one. Your Now it's the time for your bag or your friend's bag. Number 4. This option, which one you want to choose, you can choose your bag or your friend's bag. Which one is heavy? My bag. Upayan says that is my bag. Tripanna also say that my bag is heavier than my friend's bag. What about the others? Others also want to say that my bag is always heavier than my friend's bag. What you carry inside your bag that you think that your bag is heavier than your friend's bag? Huh? So choose the option your bag. Underline this one. Okay. If you want that my friend's bag is heavier than me, then you can write down your friend's bag also. Okay. Now, number E. Weight 1 kg of mud or sand. Weight 1 kg of mud or sand divided equally into 2 bags. Use the balance to check if both the bags will equal weight. Yes, if they take 1 kg mud or 1 kg sand, maybe the shape of the bag could be vary when it change. Maybe for the mud they need small bag, for the sand they need the big bag, but as because the weight they are taking 1 kg, so it obviously the weight of the both things will be equal. Now can you see the last 2 questions that they are saying? Make a list of things weight less than half kg and the things more than half kg. Half kg means 500 gram. Okay. So fast. For example, tell me the name of the things which are weight less than 1/2 kg. Tell me fast. 3 example I will take. Less than less than 1 kg, less than half kg. Oh my god, means it is less than 500 gram. Less than 500 gram, half kg. Now tell me the name of the things. First they are saying, Snehanjana is saying bottom. Pen, good. Shasta, a pen. Obviously a pen is less than half kg. Bottle. Pencil box. Yes, pencil box is also true, but we will take very light things. Okay. Upayan has a bottle. But only bottle is also true. Do you want to take something more light? Eraser. Very good. Eraser. E-R-A-A-C-R. Eraser. Check the spelling of the eraser. Eraser. E-R-A-A-C-R. Okay. Sharpener. Okay. Biscuits. Yes, biscuits also true. Or someone says bangle. A bangle. B-A-N-G-L-E. Bangle is also true because a gun, tofi, play gun, toy gun. Yes, toy gun is little bit small. Sharpener. S-H-A-R-P-N-E-R. Sharpener. Okay, we have taken 4 examples. That's enough. Now go for the number 2. Number 2, it is things weight more than half kg, means more than 500 gram. Tell me first, for example, more than half kg. Okay. Rice. How much rice? 100 gram rice is gas cylinder. Good. So only cylinder, gas cylinder. Table. Yes, table is also table. Table is always more than half kg. Gas cylinder. Gas. Gas. cylinder. Cylinder. Shatik, Shoresh, where they are? Why don't they? You house? You didn't get something little bit small than house that you are taking house now. Sarina, Shatik, Shivank, Wahid, where they are? Shohana, active in the class. Stay active in the class. Everybody answer. Sucheta, Triparna, chair. Almira, okay. Fan. I like this one. Fan is also true. Almira, chair. Yes, chair is also, you can take chair, table, sofa. Baap re baap. It feels like that you were carrying all of your house furniture over here in your math class. Blanket. Who is it? It is Upayon. TV. Okay. That much is enough. Table, gas cylinder, chair, almirah, TV. You can say fridge. Yes, those all are more than half kg. You can't say pumpkin. Pumpkin. And what is the timing it is? It is the time for the big cauliflower. Those also you can say. Yes. Okay. So up to this much we will do today. Now say me that everybody done this one. Everybody write down all the name on the. Everybody write down then those example on the book. Tawfiq. Okay, now is the time for okay, up to this much we will do. Let me just off the recording.